welcome to each and everyone. My name is Juan and I'm back from my YouTube break. The reason why I stopped filming YouTube videos is because I've been really busy lately since I moved from Mauritius to Réunion Island, which is an island located not far away from where I previously lived in Mauritius. About 200 kilometers separates the two countries. This means that the Z4 has been left behind us and that the two SUVs that we had, the X1 and the X3, have been put up for sale. Now don't get me wrong, this doesn't mean that we sold the Z4. In fact, it's still in our possession and a friend is looking after it. And the goal will be in the near future to have the Z4 alongside the new car. See, my dad and I always dreamed of owning a fun little sports car for Sunday cruises and a big, full-size luxury SUVs for longer trips and adventures, which are the two opposites. We reached our first objective when we purchased our midnight blue BMW Z4, the 3-liter SI version, and in this video I'm going to collect a F15 X5, the 25D, which is a motorization that suits the roads here perfectly. Okay guys, so there she is. Our X5 is finally in our driveway. We took delivery of it yesterday and I'm going to do a quick rundown of the specs of the car we chose. As I was saying, it's the S-Drive 25D version, a motorization that suits the roads here adequately. It has the M Sports package with the 20-inch rims. The color is a pearlescent white called mineral white. I really like it. Of course, the M Sports package means the more aggressive front and rear bumpers and the side skirts in body color. We do have the xenon lights at the front. It's a car from May 2014. We have tinted windows. The high gloss shadowline package with the roof rails in black. At the back you will find the split tailgate, which is electrically operated. Of course, a lot of storage here. We have a parcel shelf to hide your personal effects. I'm going to demonstrate how you open the tailgate. So you pull on this lever and it offers you a place to sit when you picnic or when you are having a drink with friends. You can just sit on there. Here is our spare tire with all the tools we need. get inside and have a close look at the options that we have on this specific car. The interior is a combination of leather and Alcantara. The Alcantara, of course, is very soft. At the back you will get a lot of room. You have a climate zone here and cup holders integrated in this little armrest. You can also put your bottle here, and you have a reading light hidden in this seat, in the front seats. I also forgot to mention, but at night the ambient lighting is really amazing, and you do have it on the dashboard as well. When you hop on board of the X5, you're greeted with an M Sport steering wheel with paddle shifters, as we have the 8-speed automatic gearbox. You have your buttons here for the cruise controls and the volume settings. Of course, this car has integrated Bluetooth. On the speedometer we have 58,000 kilometers, which is fairly low considering that the car is from 2014. You will find on the center console your different driving modes for whether you're searching for sporty, dynamic or comfort when you're driving in town. If you press this button, the camera will pop up on your screen, which is, I must admit, a fairly large screen. And if you put the car in reverse, you get a 3D view of the vehicle, which helps when you're trying to get out of a complicated situation. I'm going to put it back in parking. You have the electronic parking brake and the auto hold. Here you have all your climate controls. This is a storage place for you to put your drinks with the 2 cup holders or your key here, but I also like to put my key in here. Another cool feature inside of the X5 is the TV functions. So you go in media, and you will have basic TV channels that will play here on your screen, but only when you're parked, for safety reasons. today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and stay tuned for many more adventures to come with the X5. Cheers!